welcome to our podcast. Let me introduce myself. My name is Naila.
Hi, I'm Aisya. Nice to meet you.
In this episode, we are going to discuss a topic that's very relevant to our daily life: computer networks.
Yes, that's right. In fact, we interact with computer networks every day. Whether it's at college, work, or just browsing social media.
By the way, I used to think a computer network was just Wi-Fi. After studying at university, it turned out it's much rather than that.
I used to think that too. A computer network is a collection of two or more devices connected to each other so they can exchange data and share resources.
So it's not just computer, right?
That's right. Now, cell phones, laptops, printers, even smart TVs can be part of a computer network.
Oh, no wonder all devices at home can use the same Wi-Fi.
Well, that's a simple example of a computer network that we often use.
What's an example on campus?
For example, in the computer lab, all the computers are connected to one network, so they can use the same internet, share files, and even use the same printer.
Oh, right. This makes it easier for students to access a computer without having to move files one by one.
Yes, that's one reason why computer networks are so important.
I've also heard the term LAN, MAN, and WAN. What's the difference?
LANs are usually used in small areas such as homes, schools, or offices. MANs are used for larger areas like a city. On the other hand, WANs cover very large areas, even between countries.
So, the internet we use today going right?
That's right.
In your opinion, what is the biggest advantage of computer networks?
I think the most obvious is that it makes communication and information sharing easier. Now, we can send files in a matter of seconds.
Yes, that's true, especially now that many college assignments have to be done online.
That's right. But there are also disadvantages.
For example,
If there are network problems, all activities can be disrupted. Furthermore, data security must also be considered to prevent hacking.
so besides being fast and practical, network security is also important, right?
Yes, that's right.
The discussion was really interesting. Now I understand better that computer networking isn't just about Wi-Fi, but how various devices can connect and exchange information.
Hopefully, our discussion today will also broaden the knowledge of those listening.
Thank you for listening to our podcast. See you in the next episode.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our podcast. After we discussed computer networks, now we'll move on to another topic, the internet.
Yes, I think this topic is really interesting. We use the internet almost every day, from studying, searching for information to entertainment.
If you think about it, it's hard to do anything without the internet these days.
That's right. Even when we wake up, many people immediately check their WhatsApp message or social media.
So, what exactly is the internet?
The internet is a network that connects millions, even billions of devices around the world, allowing users to exchange information and communicate very quickly.
The internet is different from computer networks, right?
Yes, computer networks can be used in small areas like school or office. The internet, on the other hand, is a very rich network that connects various computer networks around the world.
In your opinion, what is the most significant benefit of the internet for students?
For me, the internet is very helpful in the learning process. For example, searching for journal and submitting assignment or discussing things with friends.
I feel the same way. Plus, there are now many applications that make it easier for youth to collaborate, even when we're different locations.
That's right. So we don't always have to meet in person.
The benefits are clear, but do you think the internet also has negative impacts?
Of course, it does. For example, the spread of access, only thought, and even social media addiction.
Correct. That's why we also have to be wise when using the internet.
Yes, we have to be able to choose the right information and protect our personal data from misuse.
If I might have an opinion, do you think the internet brings more benefits or disadvantages?
I think the benefits are all little as long as we use it wisely and responsibly. The internet can help with education and even open up business opportunities.
I agree. Technology is actually neutral. What determines whether it's good or bad is how we use it. Today, discussion was really interesting. From the previous topics, we learned about computer networks, and now we understand how the internet has become an important part of everyday life.
Hopefully, our discussion will broaden the horizon of those listening.
Thank you for listening to our podcast.
See you!